In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files without zipping. Google Drive tutorial. If you've ever tried downloading multiple items from Google Drive in a browser, you know it usually bundles everything into a single zip file. That can be inconvenient, especially if you just want your files exactly as they are. The simplest way around this is to use the Google Drive app on your computer so you can copy files directly, no zipping involved. Start by opening your web browser and downloading the Google Drive application for your computer. Once the installer finishes, open it and follow the prompts. You may be asked to sign in to your Google account. After setup, you'll see Google Drive appear in your file manager. On Windows, look for it in File Explorer, often as a drive or a shortcut in the sidebar. On a Mac, you'll see it in Finder the same way. This is your cloud drive, but it shows up like a regular folder on your computer. Open your file manager and click Google Drive. Navigate through your folders until you find the file or folder you want to download. Select it like you normally would on your computer. You can click once for a single item, or click and drag to highlight several, or hold Shift or Ctrl on Windows or Shift or Command on Mac to select multiple items. Then copy them using right-click and copy, or press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on Mac. Next, choose a location on your computer that is outside of Google Drive, such as your desktop, documents, or any folder you've created. If you want, make a new folder first to keep things organized. Open that destination and paste with right-click and paste, or use Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. As soon as you paste, Google Drive starts pulling those files down from the cloud and saving them directly to your chosen folder. There's no zip step at all. Each file and folder arrives exactly as it exists in Drive. Larger folders may take a while. Keep your internet connection stable and leave the Google Drive app running in the background. You can usually check progress from the Drive icon in your system tray or menu bar. If something doesn't move, make sure you're pasting into a location that isn't inside Google Drive. Also confirm you have enough storage space on your computer for everything you're copying. That's it. By using the Google Drive app and copying from your Drive folder to a local folder, you download your files and folders exactly as they are with no zipping required.